Hello, I want to open a bank account.
Hello. Sure. Do you want a savings account or a checking account?
What is the difference?
A savings account is for saving money. A checking account is for daily use like paying bills.
I think I need a checking account.
Okay, can I see your ID and proof of address, please?
Yes, here's my passport and a bill with my address.
Thank you. That works. Do you also have your phone number and email?
Yes, my phone number is 555-1234 and my email is anna@email.com.
Perfect. Now please fill out this form with your information.
All right, do I need to put money in the account today?
Yes, the minimum deposit is $50.
Okay, I will deposit $100.
Great. You will also receive a debit card in the mail in about 1 week.
Very good. Can I use online banking too?
Yes, of course. We will send you a username and password to your email.
Thank you. How much are the fees?
There is no monthly fee if you keep $500 in the account.
That's fine. I understand.
Perfect. Your account is now open.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, doctor. I don't feel very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I feel tired all the time, and sometimes I have a headache.
How long have you felt like this?
For about 3 weeks now.
Do you sleep well at night?
No, I usually go to bed late and I wake up many times.
I see. How many hours do you sleep?
Maybe 5 or 6 hours.
That's not enough. Adults need around 7 or 8 hours of sleep.
Yes, I know, but I work late and I feel stressed.
Stress can make you very tired. Do you do any exercise?
Not really. I sit at a desk all day.
Exercise is important. Even walking 20 minutes a day can help.
Okay, I will try.
How about your diet? Do you eat healthy food?
I eat fast food and drink coffee every day.
Too much fast food and coffee is not good for your health. You should eat more vegetables, fruit, and drink water.
Yes, you are right. I will try to change.
Good. I will also give you a blood test to check your health.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Please come back with the results next week.
Good evening. Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Excuse me. I think there's a mistake.
Oh, I'm very sorry. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered grilled chicken with vegetables, but this is beef with potatoes.
Let me check. Oh, you're right. That's not what you ordered.
Yes, I don't eat beef. Could you please bring me the chicken?
Of course. I'll take this back to the kitchen right away.
Thank you. I'd really appreciate that.
My apologies for the mix-up. Would you like something to drink while you wait?
Yes, maybe a glass of water, please.
Certainly. I'll bring it right away, and your correct dish will be ready in a few minutes.
That's very kind of you. Thanks again.
You're welcome. Sorry once more for the mistake.